Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, the whole market was in a consolidation phase. But in the last 8 hours, it has started becoming more volatile as most of the altcoins are down about 5 to 6%, anticipating the interest rate decision from Fed that will be coming out in about 8 hours. There is a lot of confusion in terms of what kind of decision we will be receiving, and that's why the market is acting a little volatile and not in a specific direction. Also, if you look at Bitcoin, it was sitting close to 107,000, but right now has fallen short to the support at 106. Same thing has happened with Dogecoin, where it has fallen below 40 cents, but the trading volume is still holding strong. But that could be a little scary as the market sentiments for Dogecoin have turned negative. It seems as if the traders are getting impatient, and that's not good because that could mean just to make the market shake, the traders can push the price a little bit down. And mapping the Dogecoin road to 45 cents, how and when anti-crypto SEC commissioner gets kicked out. Now, you guys know today morning before the Fed meeting, we were going to be seeing this voting. The voting came against her, and now she will no longer be leading SEC. And Bitcoin competes with gold for the ETF achievement. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. You will get the latest and the most important news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the price action that Dogecoin is following. It is a little scary because if you look at the daily chart, it should give you perspective how we were consolidating in this zone when we are consolidating, but the overall trend of price is going a little down. Why is this scary? Does this mean we're in a downtrend? And the answer is no. What is a little concerning is the traders which want to go very big and they use very high leverage. They definitely want the market to be a little bit more volatile so they're able to make money. Now, if the market is just going to sit very stable like this, they're not going to be incredibly happy. And that's why the last 4 days, the trading volume for Dogecoin has plummeted from about 7 billion all the way down to about 2.5 billion. And now it's sitting at about 3.5. What does this mean? Well, there is a very high chance if they're able to see a little bit of a downtrend, the chances of actually breaking the market down just to make it a little bit more volatile becomes a little bit of a bigger possibility than a lot of us can see. Another thing that's important is the Fed meeting. Now, you guys know that will be happening in about 8 hours. We will be receiving the interest rate decision. I mean, if you just look over here, you will be able to see all the important things that will be happening. So today, around let's say 8 hours, we will be getting that decision, and then the conference will happen if it does decide to go against crypto. Now, let me tell you one thing: if there is no interest rate cut, does not mean that crypto will be impacted in a bad way. It will definitely become more volatile, but bad is probably not the right word. But if there is a little bit of a pullback, let me tell you one thing: Doge will act really strong and volatile at the same time. And this can be seen by this. I mean, the traders are not happy. They want to see the market being more shaky, and that's when a lot of people are going to be going crazy. Now, I mean, I feel like a lot of you guys know this, but this new coin that just came out, which is the penguin one, a lot of people have lost a lot of money. A trader flipped 10k into $3 in this coin, and the coin is in a really scary state. Not just the coin itself, but the amount of scams that I saw on Solana around this coin. If you're going to be trading this, go ahead, you can. But if you are going to be trying to meme buy this, be careful because you will end up buying some fake one. Just ensure that it's the real one. There are so many fake airdrops that's causing you to lose a lot of money in your account. So be very cautious. That's all I'm going to say about this coin. Now, mapping how Dogecoin is going to perform. Well, the way Dogecoin's activity is happening, transaction volume and the amount of whale activity is definitely extremely high. What does this mean? Well, there is still so much momentum if it's able to just hold the support over 40 cents. But if we do go down and retest close to 38 cents or 36 cents, there is a chance that it might take a little bit longer than a lot of people want it to. If you look at the open interest is still holding strong, close to 2.7 billion, and that's what I mean with the long and the short ratio, because it's not having much momentum as the traders are becoming a little impatient. They want to see the market move so they're able to make a little bit more money, because right now Bitcoin is also being more volatile than Dogecoin, and that's crazy to say. Another thing is BlackRock releases a video explaining what Bitcoin is to the public. This is huge because 11 trillion asset manager is talking about Bitcoin and teaching people what Bitcoin is. US Senator says 2025 will be the year for Bitcoin and digital assets. Another person that's part of the Trump administration and who believes in crypto doing well. President Biden calls for a ban on congressional stock trading. Nobody in Congress should be able to make money in the stock market while they are in Congress. Honestly, I do agree with him, because the amount of insider trading that does happen is definitely not fair, just because of the fact that in the government they are allowed to do that, and the amount of money that's been lost by innocent people, it's not fair. And Bitcoin whales bought over 70,000 Bitcoin just in the last 2 days, and that's the reason why we saw an explosive price growth and making it nearly 209,000. There's definitely still more room to grow and make it all the way. I'm not even joking when I say make it all the way to 130,000 in a really short time. Now, this is really interesting. South America, the region with the highest growth in crypto holding. Now, you can see that every single one that's having a better growth, but South America is actually the one with the greatest amount of growth. And that's huge, because overall, if you guys do not know, there is so many people. I mean, to give you exact numbers, 40% of the people worldwide own or have bought cryptocurrency. That's a huge part of the human population that's definitely involved in crypto. And then we see South America as being one of the largest. Is a pretty good achievement by them, that's all I'm gonna say. And Bitwise launches Solana staking ETP in Europe as US application linger. So Solana is definitely getting ahead of the game, and they're trying to find as much as they possibly can. On the other end, US shuts down North Korean crypto laundering network. I mean, you guys know North Korea was trying extremely hard to try to steal as much money they possibly can doing crypto laundering, but US has definitely shut that down. And Dogecoin rallies on Elon Musk's praise, while altcoins may promise a higher return in 2025. Just to give you perspective, right now Doge is just waiting for another catalyst to be able to push up the price, as it's just lingering around the price of 40 cents. There is definitely a lot of room left for it to grow even higher. And right now, the best thing you should be waiting for is the Fed interest rate. The market will become volatile and you will get a buying opportunity. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you very soon.